Being with this person is like being too close to the sun.
She's giving, she's loving.
Bright, kind,
cheerful, positive,
loving, unafraid.
Is a warm and caring individual.
You know, her smile is warm and inviting.
That is the most encouraging to me.
Listen, anytime that you are in her presence, from the instant you are with her, your spirit lifts.
She really uplifts the people that she meets and puts a smile on your face.
It lifts up the community because the community can see that there's someone there and a business that's giving back.
Anyone would be inspired by all that she does for the charities in Winter Haven. It inspires you to want to do more. She's got great passion for our community.
You know, this person's been involved in so many things. I don't believe that I can name all the ways that she's made a difference in this community.
Wow, where do I begin?
She's done Relay for Life,
Big Pink Ribbon,
Meals on Wheels,
The Pampering Event,
managed the Winter Haven Charity Challenge,
essential oils.
the Cancer Society.
cancer runs.
She really has done so much in terms of raising cancer awareness, as well as raising money.
I have never seen her just do planning. She is hands-on, and she gets in there and does most of the work, actually. We just kind of aid her, and involves her family.
I know she loves her family and has always worked just as hard with her family as she does the community. They probably already know that, but...
When she approaches any task or any challenge, approaches it with a sense of drive, a sense of humility, and a desire to have fun doing it.
She even delivered meals on Christmas Day. We have Adopt a Meal program, and she had gone into a home where the person didn't have any decorations, didn't have anyone for that day to spend Christmas Day with them. So every year since then, she helps us collect decorations and helps with that Christmas Day. Just compassion for others.
The Pampering Event was started by her and her husband. And the reason it was started was because, along with herself, going through chemotherapy and cancer treatment, she found out that some other of her friends were going through the same thing. And just like she does everything else, she is going to take that horrible, sour-tasting lemon and turn it into lemonade. Let's provide a day where we can pamper people who are survivors or they are going through treatment right now. And not only them, but their caregivers. And I think that's what the whole thing was designed for, is to give these people hope and something to look forward to.
This community has tons of people who are working to make it better. Tons and tons. The thing that makes her stand out from all of those other folks is the way that she approaches it. She approaches everything from a place of love. She approaches everything from a place of kindness. You just want to be working on whatever it is that she's working on.
Anytime you have someone that's that positive, it encourages other people to, hey, I can do this, or just they want to have that same smile on their face that she has.
She has got the heart of the woman that I aspire to be.
I think if you were to ask this person about results, that probably wouldn't be where she would go. I think she would always think that it's a process. It's always a job of continually doing a little bit better, a little bit better, a little bit better. What's more important are the things that we don't know about. Things that I've heard from others who had talked to a relative who was going through a cancer scare or just learned that they had cancer, and some quiet one-on-one time. I suspect that most of her best work is the work we'll never hear about.
I think it's very difficult to measure the impact someone like this has on a community. And I think you could go around the room this evening and understand how much she has touched individual lives across the Winter Haven area.
If this person is sitting in the audience watching this, and I really hope that she is, I would like to say congratulations, and no one deserves it more.
I would tell her that I love her as a friend.
She knows that she is an inspiration to me.
I am so pleased that you're receiving this honor this evening. No one deserves it more than you do.
Keep up the good work. Keep shining. Don't stop. Just go on being your natural self, because that's what you are, and we all love you for it.
There's just been many times that her smile and encouragement has really helped me at Meals on Wheels, and in turn helped Meals on Wheels. So I want to tell her congratulations, and we all love her.
And just between you and me, because I know nobody else is watching this evening except you and me, I can't wait to spend time with you in the years going forward. All the good times and the fun times and the uplifting times and the great big belly laughs that we all seem to have when we're together. So you deserve this. You're a dear, dear friend. Love you.